How to return a dictionary in Python, Django, and view it in JavaScript. I'm returning this in my view. I want to use this information in the dictionary within my JavaScript. Kind of like this. However, my JavaScript doesn't work. There's no alert popping up, and I know that the dictionary has the information when it leaves my Python view. How can I read this information in my JS? Okay, so the answer for the view is to simpleifs data. Now when I do an alert data in my JS on my template, I get val1, this is x, val2, true. Now how can I manage the second part of the question, which is read out the values like? Update, the simpleifs data converts th dictionary into string. So in the JavaScript you need to convert the string to an object. This is the easiest but apparently unsafe way.
Very simply.
JSON is easiest way to transfer data. Also you can use XML in Python, in JavaScript.
You cannot directly use the Python object, you have to convert it into JSON string. First look into following documentation. This URL, also, this URL.
Just specify the MIME type in app response.
More